allowed me to realize that I could be more of myself.
You're in a city with 40 guys, you don't know anybody, but you quickly learn that you're cut from the same cloth.
But when you go to Boys State, that leadership is honed and examined in ways that really affect you in a profound way.
It was okay to try to be me, and I could be the nerdy kid, I could be the intelligent one, I could be the one who wanted to overachieve and not be ridiculed for it.
Getting a greater understanding of America through the lens of our veterans, they provide us the strong arm to be able to wrap democracy around.
The number one thing that sticks out in my mind is the fact that in my mind, it was all of June. It was 3 weeks. It was 4 weeks. It was such a key experience. To be told and to think back that it really was only 1 week long, and just the amount of impact that it's had within that is quite astonishing.